Okay, here.
Nanay is helping pa.
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Let's go. One. Oh,
yun ang one.
6. Let's go 6. Here we go. We got blue. And we paint 6. We paint 6 like that. Very carefully. You might destroy the other colors. Like that. Some spaces. See.
Ganda mo, Bea, para maisabit natin sa wall.
Okay, here we guys go. And this is the first one. Let's go. Let's paint this really clearly so it doesn't really look ugly. So let's do this. Oops. Here we are, guys. I'm starting to like this one. So, we will be right back.